The Honorable Miss Yanti Rusmiati M.Pd as supporting lecturer. This is my final exam video for Introduction to Linguistic course. And the title of this video is Language Acquisition in Children. What is language acquisition? Language acquisition is the process of attaining a specific variant of human language and the process of learning a native or a second language. What is language? Language is a system of symbols and rules that enable us to communicate, and a symbolic code used in communication, and then the systematic, meaningful arrangement of symbols. Next, about language acquisition, representation, and processing. First, language acquisition, about how is language acquired or learned. And then language representation, about how are the symbol of language represented in memory. And then language processing, about what factor influence the processing of language. Now look the picture. How are language acquisition, representation, and processing related? Language is acquired, acquisition leads to a set of representation, and then language use is the processing of this representation. Major issue, language acquisition. First, language acquisition. How does our general intelligence interact with our biological predisposition? And how do we learn our native language? What are the stages this process follow? And then how do failures in this process occur? And then what language development? First, phonological development. Second, semantic development. And then synthetic development and synthetic categories. Second, language acquisition. Factors that affect our chance of learning second language. Its individual difference, and then age of acquisition effect, and environment of learning, and style of instruction, and then stage of second language acquisition. And why believe it for nativism? Number one, children acquire language rapidly. And then children acquire language with very little conscious effort. And then children acquire language without explicit instruction for most of it. And nativism say mind has some pre-existing structure it imposes to interpret experience. And then language learning is not really something that the child does. It is something that happens to a child placed in an appropriate environment, much as the child's body grows and matures in a predetermined way when provided with appropriate nutrition and environmental stimulation. This is from Chomsky, 1973. That's all my video. Thank you very much and bye.